Little storyteller.
Timmy the Teddy Bear, with his soft brown fur and a stitched smile, bounced excitedly in the sunny playroom. Light streamed through the window, making dust motes dance above the colorful blocks scattered on the rug. Rosie the rag doll, with her button eyes and yarn hair, sat patiently nearby, her floppy limbs relaxed. Barnaby the fluffy blue bunny twitched his nose, his cotton tail bobbing. "Let's put on a show," Timmy announced, holding up a pile of colorful socks. "A sock puppet show?" Rosie asked, her stitched smile widening. Barnaby hopped closer, his big blue eyes curious. Timmy nodded enthusiastically. "We can make puppets of ourselves." He picked up a stripy sock. "This one can be me." Rosie chose a polka-dotted sock, and Barnaby picked a soft, fuzzy white one. They found buttons for eyes and colorful yarn for hair. Soon, 3 little sock puppets that looked just like them were ready. "Now, what story should we tell?" Timmy wondered, tapping his chin. Rosie giggled. "How about the time Barnaby tried to reach the shiny red ball on the top shelf?" Barnaby's nose twitched again as he remembered stretching and stretching, but not quite reaching. Timmy chuckled. "That's a great idea." So, they wrote a little play about Barnaby's bouncy adventure, with Sock Barnaby trying very hard to get the red ball, and Sock Timmy and Sock Rosie cheering him on. They used a toy box as their stage. Timmy held up Sock Timmy, his voice squeaky and fun. "Oh dear, Sock Barnaby, that ball looks very high." Rosie made Sock Rosie nod wisely. "Maybe if you try bouncing extra high." Sock Barnaby bounced and bounced, but the red ball stayed just out of reach. Then, Sock Timmy had an idea. "Maybe if we work together." Sock Timmy and Sock Rosie gave Sock Barnaby a little boost, and he finally reached the shiny red ball. The show ended with Sock Barnaby happily playing with the red ball, thanking his friends for their help. Timmy, Rosie and Barnaby cheered. "That was so much fun," Rosie exclaimed. Barnaby hopped happily. They learned that even when something seems hard to do alone, working together with friends can make anything possible, and it's always nice to help each other.
Please subscribe. Thank you.